what you're doing, because right now, Codegarden tickets to 2026 are live! But what is Codegarden? Codegarden is a one-of-a-kind annual conference where industry leaders, developers and marketers like you come together, learn, get inspired and connected on all things Umbraco. There's a lot of new stuff happening this year and I am so excited. One of the things is we've seen that our community has grown, the energy has grown, and we really want to make ourselves accessible. So we are coming back to Copenhagen. I was gonna say Codegarden. Copenhagen. Another new thing you'll see is that Codegarden is now not just for developers, but also for you business people out there. We have created a 2-day program for both developers, marketeers, and business people. So let's all join together. But don't you worry, some things will stay the same. For example, our Thursday night show and dinner, which you really do not want to miss. Get your tickets, save some money with the super early bird, and bring your whole team. But what is it? Remember the 90s movies where they put all the bloopers in the end? But what is Codegarden? Codegarden is I don't know what it is. It's a one-of-a-kind annual conference. Oh, it's gonna be hard.